In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a facility to your layout. You start by being logged in as your manager. That's going to illuminate the manager's menu. From here, we click, we go to setups, and from the pull down under setups, we use table layout. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice is that there were a few extra facilities that showed up. It's because we have them turned off. They might have been added for an event. They might just not be visible from this particular workstation. We have companies that actually turn off the bar for their servers so that their servers don't actually see the bar on their layout, and vice versa. So one of the things that we're going to see is that we have a little black space over here to the right of table 13, and we're going to go ahead and add another dining table over here during this tutorial. So to do so, we start by clicking in the black area. That's going to give us the pull down. We're going to click on non-rental. This is actually going to be a non-rental facility, which means it's just going to have tabs that are associated with it. And to do so, or after we do so, we have our blank image in space here. So now we're going to click on this. And at this point here, you'll see the first field under button image is blank. When we click on it, the little box with the 3 dots is in there. We click on that, and that's going to bring up our image set. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in this dining table. Click open, and that's going to populate the field. We're going to allow it to be 120 by 120 just to start us off with. And you can fill in those fields. Under the facility name, we're going to put this as D7 for right now. And we're going to click Save. And you'll see that D7 is there. We can take this facility and drag it around and place it where we like. Since it is located a little bit farther up, we're going to move it up by the top of table 13 with the other dining tables. From here, we go back and we save the layout. Now this is pretty critical because you don't want to do this and then lose that facility's placement or location. So in here you'll see that we have a layout called foosball. I'm going to go down one and call this extra dining. And from here we press save, and then we go back to the manager's menu one last time, and we click exit design mode. And there you have it. We have added a dining table, which was a non-rental facility, to our layout.